Alright guys, so we got some seat covers here we're going to try to put on this truck, and we will show y'all what they look like when we're done. Hopefully they look a little bit better than that right there. This is kind of, you can see where we're getting at, so keep watching. Alright, so here we go. Let me move this out of the way so y'all can kind of see a comparison. There's that. Here's that. It comes with the seat belt cut out. Hoping it'll give it a little bit more padding because these things are kind of stiff. See what it looks like from out here. It's not too shabby. Alright, so just like that, we have somewhat of a converted interior. You know, once the heat lays into these for a little bit, it'll be nice and hopefully wrinkle free. But it doesn't look too bad for now. Later on, we'll try to get us some SS seats or something. So yeah, I'll leave a link to these seat covers in the description below. As far as my review is concerned, I would recommend them. They're really thick quality compared to like what I put in the general. Like those ones you see there, those were super thin and like cheap foam. But these here actually have some pretty good thickness to them. As you can kind of see right in here, it's kind of got some nice foam and stuff, and these are actually cut out to fit this truck. So we'll wear them out for a little while and see how long they last, and we'll give another review after that on how well they last. So anyway, thanks for watching. This is just a short little clip. Give it a thumbs up if you want to. If not, that's okay too. Till next time, keep it simple, keep it sweet.